up to right now. Y'all see that? That's in SoCal. What's good, YouTube? As y'all see, thank you, good sir. We up here on the mountain now, so we're gonna get a little point of view action. To the snow, as y'all can see, man. I actually got the snowboard in the back. This is the first time I ever came up here with the M, man. It's definitely a blessing. I have memories of pulling up here back in high school with the homie Matt's E46 and Polchas and Cody's E36. All the homies, bro, they had the craziest slam. The beavers just tearing these mountains up, man. So it's fun to be able to enjoy it now, bro. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go be meeting up with the homie Q. We're gonna be shredding down the mountain, man. I'm gonna bring y'all with me too, bring the GoPro. And yeah, we're gonna be just shredding, a little snowboarding action and shit like that. Y'all got a little point of view coming up. I'm gonna chill out. Chill out.
back.
What's good, Q?
Yeah.
Ooh, try that out. That's that real ganja, man. You know what that Rastafari smoke, man. What go on, Q? Chili them. These guys chili them on the mountain this day, on this morning. Check this board out there. This is what we're sliding on. Shout out Lilo. Shout out Lilo and Stitch. Yeah, I mean. Ooh. And then we got the.
You said Lily got a new board?
Nah, look. How the heck you get this in the?
Oh,
bro. That's like
bro. I never seen a dent like that.
Me neither. Y'all extremely locked in right now. It'd be a horrible day to be a Big Bear Mountain. Made it to the slopes. Gonna get the first run in. Shit got a line. It's spring break right now. Spring break right now. So we're gonna turn up. Let's get right onto the lift. Everybody outside is shredding.
Coming up the lift was fine.
This is how we slide this morning. That shit's fun. That one's fun. Speed run. Oh, my tailbone hurts. Oh man, we back, bro. Just a little update. Woo, these motherfuckers tearing my ass up, man. This is like the second run, you know what I mean? Catching the lift. Caught the homie, bro. What's good, Brody?
Oh, what up, dude?
Say what up to the gang.
Oh.
Yeah. If an animal could talk, which would be the rudest animal and why?
Dude, I'm going with squirrels. I hate those fuckers.
They're fucking big trolls. Like Alvin and the Chipmunks and
Dude,
shit.
yeah, man. Fuck squirrels.
Yeah. You had $12.
Uh-huh.
You went to the 99-cent store.
Uh-huh.
They had three like bananas, 4 pickles. How many dollars would you have left? Quick math, bro.
7?
This an update, bro. My ass fucked up right now. I got tore up this mountain, man. This shit like 5-0 on me. It's all good though, bro. It is what it is. We gonna slide down here. Ooh! My fellas over here doing backflips and shit, bro. They out here going crazy, man. They telling me about that. All right, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. All right, y'all. Just a little update. This is fake snow, y'all. Look at this. You see this? They look like Dippin' Dots.